Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to open a store in Temu. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Temu. After that, open the official website and make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, you will be redirected to the homepage. Now, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom, and you should be able to see an option called Partner with Temu. You just need to click on it and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you will be provided with two options: Merchandise Partner and Logistics Partner. Simply, you just need to email them and provide necessary details like the store name, the product that you are going to sell, and an introduction about your store. After a couple of days, they will reach you, and then you can follow the instructions to create your store. So that's basically how you can open a store in Temu. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.